Yeah, man, we're live, baby. Elden Ring After Dark. I am going to pull this freaking thing right now. We gotta put the headphones on, get our ears on, man. What is up, my friend Jay? How you doing, man? First one in here. Always waiting in the waiting room, like a true supporter and friend. I don't know if I could kill this guy. I really don't. I really don't. So we're gonna give it a shot because I want the tier that he has. You know what I'm saying? That's the plan, folks. But I gotta tell you something. I gotta not get hit. Let the dogs get aggro. I need staggers. I need staggers. We need staggers, guys. Is this close enough, you think? Rocksling doesn't have like the most killer. 1, 2. Get the stagger. Get the stagger. Why no stagger? Why no stagger? Dude, I'm scared. That helped me a lot. The dog's got that aggro. They're all dying. He's going to be 50%, guys. I think I'm going to have to kill this guy later. He's just way too strong, man. That dog's dead. 50%. Did I get a stagger there? And I wasn't supposed to drink there. I was supposed to run and dodge. I went for it. Oh, I shouldn't have gone for it, guys. Guys, you see the focus? I want this thing. I want this thing. I want him, guys. We're kiting. We're kiting. We're kiting. No! I had him! I freaking had him, man. Dude, what's up, Cat? How you doing? I guess I can technically do it right. If we just did that, we can do it. Back to the astrologer. Yeah, man. Yep, I had enough fire giant just for last night. I tried to make him my Valentine, guys. It didn't work out. It did not work out, man. But it happens, folks. And so, man. Okay, now we'll start him from here. I can start further away. What level is our jellyfish, folks? Jellyfish might be better, huh? He's 5. The dogs are 5. Jellyfish, I think, is tankier. Let's get the jellyfish up. And I don't even know if I'm going to have enough mana to take this guy out. Do you know that? I really don't. We're going to try a little further away this time. 1, 2, 3. Why? Probably shouldn't have done that. That stagger was beautiful. Poison up jellyfish. Does poison work on trees, guys? Dude, jellyfish might do it. Because he's taking more hits. How come? Oh, we staggered him through the. Oh, I thought we did. Dude, no. No. Oh, God. That was horrible. I should have rolled that. I just got to kind of no-hit it, right? Right? Edwin, how you doing, man? After Darkers Unite. Hey, guys. Back to the astrologer. Right. Caleb said, Dexcom popped on me now. To call them, get a new one. Oh, I'm not sure what that means. I ended up getting the fire giant. Had to summon. LOL. Super underleveled for no summons. Yeah, you were 90 or something, right? Yeah. I have to do this, guys, because I can. These are actually easy. They're technically easy. Oh my God. Oh no. I had leveled up. I didn't have that many rooms, guys. I didn't have that many rooms. Jellyfish again. I kind of like starting them from the other side. No! And why? I should just deal with the attacks. Jellyfish is dead. Jellyfish is dead. This was a horrible pull. Should have been backing up. Yeah, I gotta run through him, guys. We gotta dodge an attack. Shouldn't have done that. I didn't think it was gonna. Oh, we get the stagger. Okay, now I'm one hit. Not gonna drink. Just do one, and then run from these. What? Why would I get hit by that? I mean, why would I allow that? Why would I allow that? This is easy. Gotta go through him. Dude, this is freaking hard, bro. I should have cast that. I shouldn't have cast that. I had him. I have to slow down. Hey, I'm finally back, Lois. Hey, Lois, how you doing over there on Twitch? Good to see you. That sucks. Okay. You're eating dinner now, Trey. Cool. This is one of the harder avatars. I know, because it has something good, and I can kill it if I would. Oh, wait a minute, guys. We have a glintstone pebble. We do. I forgot about it. Okay, we start with the rock sling. I don't know why that guy freaking aggroed. It's probably too far. I'm not even looking behind me. Okay, we gotta watch the Elden stars. Oh! What? I mean, they were easy before. Gotta keep the jelly up. Gotta keep the jelly up, folks! Stagger. Good. Dude, he's still in a jelly! Well, I say that now. That was a panic roll. Okay. No jellyfish! Oh my god, that was greedy. That was greedy, guys. Just get one off. Oh my god, I try to cross at the beams, folks. Just don't cross the beams. And I couldn't freaking see the attack from the trees, and he's freaking like 15%. Less than 15%, wouldn't you say? Trevor, have you played Witcher? Cool, I'm watching Witcher on from Netflix. Dude, I've heard of Twitcher, man. Lois said, hey there, I'm so happy for your great Valentine's Day. But I cracked up, so human. Yeah, it was funny. It was funny. Oh, man, I went back to the Grace. We have to do this, right? We have to do it. We have to do it. I think I'm being about as aggressive as I can. I don't think I'm keeping the jellyfish. Guys, I want this. I want this, this freaking... I have no good physics, guys. My physics suck. My trinkets suck. I want a good physic. You know, one we can talk about, be proud of. No, got close to him that time. Yeah, and the damn attack. Now, I like starting from the bottom, believe it or not. So, that's... I don't know why. I feel like this is still too far, but we're going to try it. See, 3 rock slings. Okay. What? That's a great game. I played some of it. Witcher 3. People have talked to me about Witcher, man. People have talked to me about Witcher, but I never... There's a TV show too, right? And the game is pretty good. Okay, we're back up at the top. That's fine. Okay, I really got to do no hit. I got to do no hit, and I think I know my positioning is better too. On the I should check and see if I have buffs. I don't think I do. Get a couple off. Wow, take a little back step while I can. I'm a little close. Dude, how do you... I just won't roll it. I won't roll it. I rolled like the very first one he ever swung at me. I rolled. And then I rolled a whole bunch. And then now it's just like... And I'm not panic rolling either. I'm waiting a little bit too long. I'm on book number 4. Should do the other ones. Really, they're books. Okay. Do we have any buff food? Do we have any item crafting? We can make fire pots. Because these things don't like... Oh, I forgot about my glintstone pebble, too. But glintstone pebble... Yeah, glintstone pebble might be a way better move when he comes into range, guys. When he comes into range. Let's just for fun... Let's go back to the doggies. This might be too far. Maybe that's the reason why... Okay, that one didn't hit him. That's why there's my stagger. I want him on me if I can. The dog, he's just killing my dogs, guys. And now the rot will kill my dogs for sure. And there's rot in the way. Okay, come over here and run. Okay, that was a panic roll for sure. Where is he? I see him. I couldn't see him, guys, for the when I run past him like that, I should definitely when I make range like this, I should definitely switch back to rock sling. Building up stamina. No! No! I can't drink. I can't. That was bad! That was almost bad too. Come on, guys. I want this freaking kill! Topping off. So I don't get one-shotted. Damn. Get over here so I can run that way. Okay. I panic rolled! That was bad. On target for my roll. I want him. Stamina. No! Too close! No! I almost cast it again, guys. No! No! The roll got me. The freaking roll got me. I'm gonna come back and get this guy later, guys. Yeah, Lois said night chillers after darkest. Charlie, belated Valentine's inserted here. Cool. Oh, by the way, Twitch no longer can see the chat from other platforms as before. Okay, Lois, thanks for that. So let's go. Oh, guys, I freaking had that, man. I gotta take the jacket off, guys. We're gaming. We're freaking gaming, guys. I knew that was gonna be hard. But when I got the 50%, God, what do I do? Do I just go do better, guys? I mean, I almost had that freaking thing. It's definitely a skill problem. So why don't we just give it another shot and do better? If I can get this, if I only had this tier, the one I'm trying to get, I might be all right. Nailed it. That Peter Boss needs to go, dude. That was close. Yeah. Thank you, Jay. I mean, I obviously can do it. And calming down with the glintstone pebble once, and I think I have enough mana too. We're gonna go back to jellyfish. Once the and then what is in my flask? Equipment. Temporarily raises max stamina and restores half of max HP. Those are like probably my best things, guys. Like I have nothing. So I'm gonna save it as a health pot. And I'm gonna come probably to here, hoping we're not gonna die. We'll do it like this. Come on, let's go! I see I'm backing up. Oh my god, he's killing a jellyfish instantly. But you know what? That let me do a reset. Should have done that. I want to see what I'm looking at here. Dude, I double rolled. That was dumb. Close, maybe. I'm gonna have to go around him, I think. I don't know what's down here. Yeah, I think there's ads down here, isn't there? Well, that wasn't the way to do it. That was early, but I got it somehow. Stamina, please. I freaking panic rolled. Don't crouch. Don't crouch. No! Maybe that wasn't good for Stam. Run over here. So you can run over here. Doing two. I had to stop for Stam, folks. Uh-oh. That was almost the end. I gotta go past him. I'm targeting. Got him! Yeah, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, guys. Woo! Guys, I'm freaking sweating. Guys, now I have a useful freaking... Ooh, stone cracked. I don't even know what that one is, but I think that's probably for melee or something, right? Dude, we did it. Dude. I had to be patient, man. Yes, COD is very toxic. I'm sure more nowadays. It's been over a decade. I really played online. Yeah, you know, I've had people tell me that about how toxic COD is, and when I play Call of Duty, I'm like, yeah, I guess this is toxic. Yeah, I guess it's by definition, it is. But it doesn't bother me if I want to play. If I'm going to play COD, I'm going to play COD. You know, it's like people are rude. You know what I'm saying? I told you guys the story. Courtney and I were playing, I think, Black Ops 3. Zombies, if I remember right. And what happened was, you're gonna love this. we went multiplayer and we got matched with 2 other people. So we were 4-manning this zombies. And some of you guys have heard the story, some of you haven't. And these people were carrying us. They knew. Like, they had been way farther than Courtney and I had ever been. So we're like checking out new parts of the map and we're helping. We keep dying, they keep rezzing us. We keep dying, they keep rezzing us. Finally, when we die and we cause them to die because they were carrying us, I get on there, turn the mic on, and I go, "You guys suck." And then I freaking left the game. And Courtney's like, "What? Why'd you say that? They were carrying us." I'm like, because it was. I think it was funny. It was funny. You know what I'm saying? Does anyone here just muted everyone? I've heard about that. I have to mute it a lot of times because it's just annoying. People don't know how to use a microphone. Their TV's playing in the background. You can get music playing in the background. You know, everyone's not a streamer. Everyone doesn't have to do everything according to my needs. But it sure doesn't help me as a streamer with that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? And so, and then plus it's just annoying. It's just annoying having someone's mic open, listening to them noises, freaking listening to their TV. It's ridiculous. Now, we have not done Radon yet. So I guess then my life tells me to go. Do we not have Randy's Rise yet? Did we not do the 50% dragon yet? GTA is toxic for sure then. No, I believe it's toxic, which to me it's just like, it's just kind of, it's toxic, but it's freaking Call of Duty. It's a bunch of kids playing Call of Duty. Okay, Loretta's dead. Did we not dead the, oh, we have 91k runes, folks. Might want to dump them off. That's going to be like 2 or 3 levels, guys. 91,000 runes for that? Oh, plus we can make a killer physic that will do something. Yeah. GTA is toxic, and I love it. Yeah, to me that toxicity of Call of Duty is literally, it wouldn't be Call of Duty without it. I'm putting 2 points in big, guys. 2 points in big. Because it was rough. Now, oh wait, we're going to mix the physic too, in case we run into any malarkers. This loot over here, by the way, right? We should probably grab it. I think that'd be a good move. Mix my wonderful physic. What do I want to do? Use it as a health pot, or use it as boost my stamina? I mean, because we don't have anything else good. Oh, Stone Barb Cracked Tier breaks stance, guys. So we got 2 actual... Wait. Did I do the right one? Enhances charged attacks. That's not the one I want. I want temporarily boosts all damage negation. Woo! Oh, I can't get on my horse. I gotta go this way, right? It's a move. I've been revisiting Red Dead. No regrets, man. Isn't like Red Dead Redemption 2 the one or something? You got break stance physic for rock sling. Yeah, Drew. I just realized that. Thank you. Yeah. Yep. It's the move. It's the move because I already get some stance break for sure. Maybe if we use, let's try the doggies first. I didn't level up. I didn't click confirm. Red Dead Redemption 1 and 2 are fan. How did I not level up, guys? I said I put them in big. And then I guess I didn't click confirm. Oh. And we're 10k away from leveling up. Let's go to Inventorio. One thing about this character. Oh, I do it. Oh, we... 50. Oh my god, guys. Guys, we got runes. We got levels. And we're doing it the old-fashioned way. We farmed 2 or 3 chickens yesterday to make up for lost runes, or to get our runes to the point where because I had 77,000 runes on me or something, right? And we were gonna fight a boss, and I'm like, I'll leave those runes on the freaking floor, dude. We gotta just go shoot a chicken or two, take the level. You know what I'm saying, guys. We have to respect runes a little bit. Level up. Oh yeah, we just did Vig. Mind. And it's at 45. None of those are mistakes, guys. None of those are mistakes. And we have 31,95,300. Let's see if we have one more level, guys. Inventorio. Guys, I had a great dinner tonight with my kids. It was freaking awesome. Guys, I saw him, man. I saw him, Trey. I saw Charlie 2.0 tonight in person, folks. I saw him. We hung out. We talked stuff. Talked a little bit of gaming. Yeah, I love my kids, man. I had a great... My telling you guys, I mean, when do you see your kids enough? When do you ever see your kids enough? You know what I'm saying? But I definitely don't see my kids enough. And I need to do more to see my kids more often because it's good for everybody and it fills my freaking soul, guys. It fills my soul. I'm as peaceful and happy now as I could freaking be. You know what I mean? Because I just had dinner with my kids. Whoa. I don't usually go that far north. Dude, I was stuck in the tree. Is he coming? Let's give the dogs a chance, guys. All we are saying is give the dogs a chance. Oh my God, he went away. I didn't want the light. Right in your head, buddy. He's gonna move. What am I doing? He's gone already? Awesome news, family dinner. Did you guys see his health bar? Did he get to 50% that fast? It's like that dragon, take him to 50%, I would think should be a little harder. Now, we do have access to Altus because of the fact that Trey and I went through the magical cave, past the 7 layers of the candy cane forest, and we came out looking like smelling like a champ. I did talk to what's her face. I negotiated to get her necklace back. And so all I got to do now is go talk to her. I got to go south, SW, this way. And so if I go talk to her over here, we'll just get ported to Volcano Manor, guys. I got a dog, a bird, and turtles. Son as well as a real life son. Trey, it's like bonus round. Yeah, man. Yeah, family is an amazing thing, guys. I highly recommend it. Bonus rounds. Now I don't have this grace yet. I'm gonna grab it. I feel like these guys aggroed on me one time, like when I came from this direction. All we are saying is give Raya a chance. That's her name, right? Raya. Yeah, man, we did 3 more guts in a row. It was epic. Yeah, that was a good night, man. It was a lot of fun. That was a lot of freaking fun. I mean, so you got your fire giant, Drew. Did you pick up a couple of levels with the runes? Why? She won't come unless she won't come at... Did I miss her? Is she standing there? Because I missed her the other... Do I have the medallion? Do I feel like I'm bringing the elevator down. I thought I didn't have the medallion, guys. Drew says, yeah, I got a few levels and substantially upgraded this character since Capital coming around. Nice. Yeah, man. I'm feeling the same. Killing that Erd avatar, man. Levels are still cheap, man. 30 freaking K. 30, a little over 30K. I think I was 60 when we did Capital. Ah, okay. Now, I think I just went down the elevator. But here's the thing. Why is she not there? Guys, I got my invitation. Look at that. I tried to take it down. It didn't let me. Or maybe it did. Oh, no, I did take it down. I did take it down. Okay. Do I not have this grace? All we are saying is you don't have the grace. Ah. Okay. I'm going to grab this grace and move forward. Whoever's watching on Twitch, howdy do. Welcome to you. Bigger crowd is on YouTube, but you guys, at some point, guys, we might need to do a little bit of Twitch work. You know what I'm saying? I thought I didn't have the medallion, guys. Take me upstairs. She is probably at Lux Ruins since we did Capital. You got to go talk to her at Lux Ruins? We didn't do Capital on this character, did we? Or did we? I guess we did. Did we? But I thought you talk to her, you get her necklace for her. Whoa. Okay. The Deluxe Ruins, folks. Yeah, we did it. We definitely did Capital. You're right. Lux Ruins. Where's the Lux Ruins? I was looking at Laskiar Ruins. Lux Ruins are where? Are they up over here somewhere? Lux Ruins. She's probably at Lux Ruins since we did. Let me take this little marker away. I don't know where Lux Ruins are. I thought she's supposed to be right there. We did such a good job. I did such a good job. So we did. I bought her necklace. I gave it back to her. She gave me the invitation to Volcano Manor. And then I'm supposed to come here and she's supposed to be standing right freaking there. She's not there, guys. She's not here. I guess I could Google Lux Ruins and try and run there. That might be the move. That's all I'm saying, guys. Give Raya a chance. You know what I'm saying? Lux. Oh, is it near Erdtree Gazing? Why do I feel that? Okay, exploring the western cliffs about this plateau. It's going to give me one of those interactive maps, huh? Nope, it's not good. Let me click. Yeah, make it bigger. Lux Ruins is pretty much directly north of where I am. Right? Yeah. I just need to go like this way. I don't know if I should take a she'd be at Lux Ruins. I didn't even know she goes there. Actually, it's up the hill here. It's easy to get to Lux from here. Yeah. Yep. Yep. This is it. Just go up here. And she's going to be at the... Whoa, guys. Whoa, those dudes were mad I took their food, guys. Nah, it's Raya. It's Raya. Learn something new. He's roaring at me! I'm not gonna get 3 off, guys. I did! Oh my god. Untarget. Drink. And kill. I better drink here again. No mana. We got him! We got him! Now, Millicent is also near that grace, but not by the ruin. She's over by the cliff. What I get... this is probably something I don't need for my caster, and I'll tell you why, because I probably have looted it before, but it's not something I get all the time. All we are saying is give me something cool. The RST, folks. Ritual Sword. What is that one? What does that one do again? I forget, guys. That's all. Whoa. Oh! Increased bow effective range. I didn't realize, guys. I didn't freaking realize I had the reach. So I could have probably shot him from even further away. This thing raises attack power when HP is at minimum. Yeah. This word will be useful for the caster. Actually. Yeah, because I'm kind of far away, huh? We got shield crash, guys. Okay, now where would she be here? She's not in that room, right? She's not in the room. We gotta drink up. We gotta drink up, Johnny. She's not in here, right? She's out there somewhere. I mean, there's so many monsters. How would she be surviving out there, Trey? Do I need to kind of start clearing the ruins, the ruinings? Still a pebble. Its phenomenal content Sir Sardo provides. Is payment enough? Oh my god. Why can't I target this fool? Dude. Those staggers were sick, bro. She's on the eastern side of the ruins, I think. Okay, let's head east. Is she outside? Is she in the ruins proper? I don't see her over here. Is she down the cliff where I'm about to fall? There's a grace down there. That looks pretty cool. Oh, I know where I am. I think I have that grace, right? Is that not Earth Tree gazing? I think I'm gazing at it, folks. I think I'm literally was gazing at Earth Tree gazing, guys. Don't see her. Gonna have to start clearing some poopies, I guess. That guy died pretty quick, but he got staggered. I feel like I saw a monster coming in, guys. Where'd he go? Those guys are freaking jack me up, bro. She's down there on... she's down on the other side of the ruins. Yeah. Oh, comprendo. I get the full comprende, amigo. Whoa. Is it? Oh my god, there's... Yeah. Oh my god, they're onto me. They're onto me. They're onto me, folks. They're onto me. They want to tell their friends all about it. Okay. Yeah, I was at the top. I was at the top. Gazing upon its glory, folks. She's here. Found it!
I've been waiting. I knew you. I hereby take my hand. Give me your hand. I will pray.
We're going in, folks. We're going to Volcano Manor. Rykard should be some nice points, and Godskin Noble could be tough. We probably need Catacomb Holios, folks. We do. We need, and the reason why is because I want to get these dogs and the jelly. We gotta level them both, guys. We gotta level them both. You know why? Because we don't want that jelly to get jelly. You know what I'm saying? I mean, dog is man's best friend, but jelly's got jelly. Yeah. I'll join your freaking I'll join your cult. Just stop talking. I'll join your freaking cult. Give me the key. Thank you. All right, guys. Guys, we just joined a cult, so that'll be good. Nailed it. Nailed it. Ooh. Dude. What am I going to do with those things, man?
What in heaven, volcano? I hope you... Well, I thought perhaps play... But no, before you...
Sometimes I turn into a lizard. It's why my back hurts. This guy. Somebody kill him. Wasn't there someone down here telling me that last time I was here? Huh. Weird. This door's closed, right? Oh, there's just the back door to the place I just was, right? Level that summons Manu. It's a Manunu, man. We must achieve all Manunus. Okay, looking around. Should we go up and see if we can kill that invader? I hate that freaking invader, man. I hate him. I hate him. I hate him. Hey, Zachary Taylor, what is up, my brother? We got the perfume bottle. The bud horn. Whoa, no! Get me out of here. Think the rock sling's gonna do the naughty on this fool? Wish me luck! One. The best part about rock sling is the second one is already casting before the first one hits. Give me a stag. Oh my god, I'm dead. Dude, he got so freaking lucky, bro. He was dead. Zachary. Good to see you, my brother. Thanks for stopping in. I just died. I don't know if you saw it. I don't think I had many runes on me, so it's not really that big of a tissue. Yeah. Well, oh, it's because I'm in the Manor. It's because I'm... Oh, no, I'm on flash for this fool. Okay. Okay, we got this. We got this guy. We got this fool. Tell me we don't have the fool. I'm trying to get... All this stuff is going to get my way. If I'm against a wall, can he not, like, port behind me? Got him! Gotta dance! You gotta love that, folks. All that for nothing? For poop loot, guys? We got poop loot out of the deal. We should use a walking around spell. Thanks, Jacaridi. Hope you have a good night. Yeah, man. Jackery is part of the After Dark community, folks. Now, I think... Oh, I gotta rest. Duh. Leave. Charlie's feature's so bright he's got to wear shades and show tunes, because I gotta dance. Guys, last night... Guys... It's like, I want to write a song called, like, Go Hard or Go Home until you go so hard that you can't go home. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of like the, it's kind of the theme, folks. Last night, man, we started at 11 p.m. And we finished at, around 6:30 or 7. And it was rough, man. I think I could just run through this, right? Yeah, I should maybe pull my health pot up just in case, but look at that. Dude, when you do it at level 1, very dangerous, folks. Very dangerous. The poopies are freaking real, man. Okay, we're gonna grab some lootsies. Oh, man. We're gonna grab some lootsies, elephants, and kangaroosies, twosies, guys. Whoa. Try not to roll in the fire. You don't have to. There's a somber up there, and you know what? Oh, this guy's freaking shooting poopies at me, guys. Now his sister wants in the action. Jeez Louise. This guy's a little... He's throwing pots at me. He's a little pot sniper, folks. Where you at? Dude threw that pot at me. This is the somber, right? 4 or something, 6? I'll take it. There's probably more over there, huh? Should I go get it, guys? Can I get there from here? You gotta do... You guys, this is parkour, guys. It's not easy, okay? I don't want to hear about it if you guys... Smithing stone 6. Same as the first. Charlie says go bigger, stay home. Where is he? Oh, God. Come on! Yeah, you didn't see me. You're just a sneaky little lizard. Who likes a sneaky little lizard, guys? So it was a fun night, guys. But guys, I sacrificed the 4 p.m. chess stream today because I literally woke up after 2, guys. I had sleep, got sleep. Woke up after 2, feeling okay. Somber 5, yeah. Feeling okay. Feeling the best I've ever felt in my whole freaking life. Yeah, maybe not. Does glintstone pebbles stun everyone like that? I should have healed up, guys. This guy's onto me. He's onto me. He's onto my poop. There we go. Shot his body, guys, just for good measure, because, you know. Up is I know. Magma Wern is down, and Marshmallow Boy is up. We are going through the motions of the Volcano Manor, guys. I don't have a whole bunch of fire stuff, and Poker Boy, he's gonna be really tricky. I could pull him with Rock Sling, maybe even get a stagger out of the gate. Then I'll probably have to switch to Glintstone. It's gonna be a lot of running away. I think. What do you think is better for Marshmallow Boy? 3 dogs or 1 jealous jellyfish? Which one? He's probably going to be pretty upset that we didn't, you know, level him up yet. How was your Valentine's? It was great, man. It was a long, wonderful evening. Thank you for asking. How was yours? Okay, I hope Roxling can reach that far, folks. I didn't rest? I just touched that freaking grace and didn't rest? Roly-poly. I didn't watch the whole live earlier. What time did you go to sleep? Around, it was after daylight. It was 6:37-ish. 6:37-ish. And then, so what? I slept till 2, a little after 2, so it's like 7.5 hours or something. I got some sleep. But then I blinked, and I'm like, I'm not going to make it home and get live for the chess stream. And I felt bad too, man. I really, really do, guys. Whoa. He's still alive, folks. He's still alive. Okay. Let's say we bust this one. And then we bring, what did you guys say? It was good, can't complain. Okay, no one had an opinion. So, I got to get forward a little bit. Is he gonna... I did the dogs. I panicked the dog. Dude, I rolled into the freaking wall. That's gonna cost me. And my rock slings are gonna hit all the poopies around here. Give me a stagger. Should I roll through him? Let me get some range. Just killing my last dog right now, guys, as we speak. There's no, I'm like, that was totally gonna hit. I was so sure that was gonna hit. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, now we're gonna have the better fog wall though. S'mores works for the dub. Can't complain. Your vote is dogs. Yep, dogs. That's what we did. Sunglasses are distracting you, says Jeff. They're distracting you. What's up, Tim? Hey, Tim Boston, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Jelly for the magma worm. Oh, I should have. Did he even give me an option for the steak? Yeah, that wasn't bad. That was not bad at all, man. I took some damn at the beginning. I rolled into the freaking wall. Thing is, I think I'm going to have to be careful on the pull. I don't think I can get 3 rock slings off before he throws a poopy at me. Just drink this now. No, I wanted to drink it now, I said. Come on! Dogs are, dude, all because I didn't drink outside. Now I'm gonna have one dog up and we're getting a stun here. Dog's dead. Dude, I thought the hallway was gonna be, dude, the freaking poopies in this room. You just can't run away. Okay, I'm gonna have to glintstone, guys. Gonna have to glintstone. I try to dodge. That's the move, guys! Wow, you come out of that like shooting like a freaking psycho? No! Why would I drink right there? Mana. That was early. Dude, the terrain in this room kills me. Okay. It's okay. That was a horrible, horrible pull. Yet years later they said it started. Elden Mines. Facts true. What'd Drew say? Shades add +5 to streaming proficiency. +8 while at night. Drew, you know it, man. Tim Boston says, Charlie, you legend. Dude, man. Dude, thank you, man. I love you. Guys, you know who that is, right? That's Mex, guys. That's Mex. It took me a second. I forgot, but that's Mex. Oh, Mex. Well, yeah. I want to be sure, so I'll talk to Mex on Facebook first, and then we'll get Mex modded. Okay, drink. Another botch. Pull. Another botch pull, guys. Oh my god, no. This is horrible. It's horrible. They're standing in the fire. Why can't I get a freaking pull off? I don't know the room, guys. And panic rolling doesn't help. I had him close, but I don't know if I'm this guy I'm gonna be able to do. I might go check out that fireworm, man. Yeah, good. Dude, Mex, I love you, brother. Mex just took care of it, folks. Mex just messaged me and said Tim Boston is Mex. So let us go to Tim Boston's name. Add as moderator. Standard moderator. Can review and remove chat messages and hide or put users in timeout. Gotta dance, guys. Welcome Mex to the wrench club, folks. The doggies don't get out of the fire, man. The dogs wouldn't get out of the fire. Should we... Here's my situation with this fight. He's down a long haul, so I'm thinking I'm going to get 3 shots off and maybe get a stagger. Get that out of your head, Charlie. Not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Not and get the summons off. Maybe I can run away from him and get the summons off. Let's just try that. Let's just try it right now. Let's see if we can get, or maybe get the summons off with the stagger. Well, you know what? If I wouldn't have, Am I gonna be okay over here? Dogs are gone. He's got the delayed freaking roll, guys. He's got the delayed roll. That's okay. Well, it's not okay actually. Yeah. This guy. I knew with the rock sling, this guy was going to be a scenario. You know what I mean? Once I stunned him, I hesitated for a second. Getting the dogs off quicker, it might have saved me a health pot. Guys, I don't know, man. I don't like this near as much as I like that Erd tree. Plus, thing about it is, what do we get from this? The Erd tree, like we had to get. You know what I mean? Where is... Oh, yeah. I know where they are. The elevators are over there. They're past this poopy boy. We're gonna go run to the elevator. Maybe I can just run past this guy. So good, you got this. Best pull so far. Nice glasses, Charlie. So cool. Hey, Mex, thanks, man. Thank you. I think I'm skipping this guy. Maybe we'll go check out the... I never even thought about skipping this guy like this. Does it work? Gotta dance, folks. You gotta dance, right? Now, Equipmentorio. We do own a fire... Oh, no, we probably don't have a fire thingy. We don't. Guys, we went back up the freaking ladder, man. Wait. Okay, we got to go back down and get on the other one. Got to beat him to get to the elevator. Is he coming? No. What do you think's harder, that dude or Magma Worm? You know what I'm saying? I mean, the Magma Worm is going to be tough. Do I do dogs or jellyfish? They're all gonna die so fast. Give me a stagger, baby. Give me a stagger! I didn't get it. There we go. Ran out of mana. I'm not going to get another stagger, and he's only 60%. Oh my god, the dogs are actually looking at him? 50% now. I'm not on another stagger! We got mana! Dude, the dogs are doing the work. Why is he not coming after me? He could kill me. Dude, rock sling for destruction. What do you think's gonna be easier? I got 5,000 runes for that. You know what? That's probably about what he's worth. Hopefully, Inventorio made it to the family dinner. Inventorio couldn't make it. But Charlie 2.0 was there. I just, you know, I just don't know. Oh, we got to get past this guy to go upstairs anyway, huh? For, yeah, dude, the dogs held aggro and lived through the fight. Whoa. Drop off and give me runes, you nut snake. Oh, I didn't rest. I could have just rested. Jellyfish? Jellyfish or roly-poly? Like, give it a shot? Never knew you were on YouTube. Mex, I need to do more after darks on Facebook to let everybody know. I also, Mex, you don't follow the live alert channel? Because on the live alert channel, I posted, I'm live here on YouTube with the link. And 200 people got that alert today. The 200 people that are on the live alert broadcast channel. You know what I mean? So, yeah. So, what, did you just find it, Mex? Were you just like, whoa, Charlie's over there and he didn't even tell me. That's rude. Yeah, no, Mex. I thought everybody just knew, man. Or I knew there were a lot of viewers that did know, and I've been trying to, come on! Better than nothing. Hit him, Jelly. Hit him, Jelly. Spit on him, Jelly. I'd like lots of poison on him. I like the positioning here, too. Oh, God! Watch it, guys. I don't know if I can... What?! I let him out, guys. And he attacks quick after that, too, by the way. Okay. Well, he came all the way to me. Shoot him, Jelly. Shoot him! There you go. I would have loved to stagger on that. There we go. That stagger didn't last very long, though. There's no way! I should have healed. I know I should have healed. If I would have healed, it would have been a different fight. I wouldn't have got the stagger. Charlie wanted to get smushed. I was sorry, been a slacker lately, but I am here now, sir. God, it's better late than never. Oh, Max, it's okay, my brother. I freaking had that fight, man. You saw it. Freaking had it. Cray, guys. That was cray. We're doing it, man. We're doing it. Jellyfish is the move. And maybe... Man. I think everything is good. Here's the problem. I still botched a pull. I still botched a pull. And I'll tell you why in a second. Because I hit escape before the jellyfish went off. There we go. You can shoot him, jellyfish. The panic rolls aren't going to help me. The panic rolls aren't going to help me. Jelly saved me right there. I think we got it hung up. You can shoot him, Jelly! Jelly gets aggro. I hit him with 1 rock because of the terrain. Hit him with 2 rocks because of the terrain. Jelly's going down. This sucks! I should have done that! Come on. I drank 2 health pots. Dude, he's got the range of a freaking psycho. Got him! Shoot the body! Guys, I knew I had him. I knew I had to eat the freaking marshmallow, folks. Woo! Guys, you know what? This astrologer, for my poor skills, is probably leveled just perfect right now for like a challenging run. You know what I mean? Because we're having to adapt and overcome. Sling him when Ian's hung up on a pillar. Yeah, the problem is, he's behind something. I don't know what's going to hit him. You know what I'm saying? Sardo gave the old treatment, says Drew. Cat McKay says, nailed it. Trey says, nailed it. Or that was Truth. That was Jay. Yeah. Trey said, A, good game. Yeah, go Charlie. That was good, man. That was fun, guys. That was fun. Level up. We could go with a nice level 80. Guys, I want to slap harder. No, I think I need more mana too, though, right? Drinking sucks. But I can get 3 rock slings off still and punish the stagger. I can, so I don't need mind. We're going in. Confirm. Yes. None of them are a mistake, guys. There are no mistakes here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Sprinkles are for winners. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We do this every day. I say this every day, Monday through Thursday. The chess streams over there on Facebook, folks. You absolutely love to see those. And then here we are playing Elden Ring After Dark. We built a community. Over there on Facebook. And we have moved the After Darks over here to Twitch to get our footprint here on Twitch. If you like what you see and you think you like Elden Ring and you're going to want to do some DLC with us, consider hitting the sub button on YouTube. I appreciate it. Twitch is a little quiet tonight. That's cool. It says 1 viewer. I don't know who it is, but you know what? Love them, love them, love them. Gotta dance, folks. All right, my turn for Godskin. Ha! You need Godskin? I could do it for you, bro. Let me solo him. I mean, okay, I might need him. I might need a jellyfish. I think we should be doing catacombs right now, guys. I think some people don't level their dogs up enough, guys. You gotta be like way ahead of the curve on the dogs, man. In my humble HO, guys. I mean, I don't think I should be doing Oh, we did. Wait, we did capital bosses. I probably shouldn't be doing these bosses with with a level 5 jellyfish. Isn't there loot down here? Nothing I can see. Oh my god. Nothing I can target and shoot. There's one. How come I can't? This one might go straight down. Got him! Guys, never forget, you gotta dance, folks. Hello? Can I go down? Okay. Dude, those things are nasty. They will, in fact, hurt your plans for the weekend. Run right at me, bro. Okay. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Now I think it's clear. What was this, guys? Remember we had to come get this for a build. Gotta dance full show tune. You gotta love it. Oh, the cookbook. What was that? What was it to make, guys? It was to craft something. I don't remember what it was. Now, we go back. Gotta go back. Oh, wait, there's a door right here, though. No, there's not. I'm updating my laptop right now. Nice, nice. Updating laptops is good. I hate updating stuff, man. You're on Twitch too? Yeah, Max. I'm on Twitch right now, as a matter of fact. What's your name on Twitch, Max? Max? I don't know if I can add you as easily. I think I can add you as easily there as I did here. He's hiding behind the freaking thing, guys. We're gonna run past him. He's a great annoyer, folks. Okay? Here, I don't think there's anything important here, guys. Whoa. That guy will freaking kill you, bro! Where am I? I think I came... I went the wrong way. How? Why am I so confused? Joe 8 says good games he made you play Elden Ring. That dude! The freaking Erdtree avatar thing made me play Elden Ring. And what's his face just made me play Elden Ring. Don't be looking at me, bro. Oh, isn't there loot over here? No. I thought there was. See? You can just run past that guy. But the other day I ran past him and got hit. He bit your ankle. I don't have Twitch yet. Cool, Mex. When you get to Twitch, just let me know. We'll get you modded over there too. I never run over this way. Why would I go to the right, guys? Got a right. Okay. Now, touch the grace, rest at the grace. This is the grace that I always freaking either don't, because I'm like, ooh, fog wall, dude! I'm not going to have, like, any freaking stones, guys. I'm not going to have any stones. I saved 1 shield, right? Endless wielded with both hands. But, wait. I can hold it up, and I can poke. Yep, that's all I gotta do. That's the rule. I really don't use Twitch either, but I should figure out my login stuff for the stream. Yeah, you know what? Guys, don't worry about that now. Right now, I need to get monetized on YouTube, just to let you guys know where we stand, guys. I need 3,000 watch hours total, and I have, I think, 1,100, or yeah, a little over 1,000. I'm like a third of the way there on the watch hours. That took me a month. Hopefully, so it tells me that in worst case it's going to take 3 months. Hopefully, it picks up some speed and goes a little quicker. And that will get me... What does that get me? I think that might get me subs. It definitely get me super chats. MexBoss99 is now following on YouTube. I got to make that alert better. Mex, thank you, man. Wait, that following... Or wait. Or was that on Twitch? Yeah, because you don't follow on YouTube. That was a Twitch follow. Okay, good. We got it now. Now we understand the rules, guys. What do you guys... How do you guys feel about... And it will let me port back. How do you guys feel about jellyfish? It seems like he'll last longer. You know what I mean? First time chat. Mex, there you go. Yeah, got you, Mex. Here, Mex. Let me just... How do I... Follow, whisper, invite. Invite what? Okay, I didn't want to do that. Oh, that's like invite him to collaborate or something. Yeah, I think I have to do it somewhere else, Mex. So I'll get you modded on Twitch later. Okay? Okay. Guys, we're not gonna have any freaking stones, man, but we're gonna look. We're gonna look. And I think did we ever get the bell bearing, guys? I have 19,000 runes. I could probably get this thing up to like +2 or something. It's like better than nothing, in my opinion. You know what I mean? Oh wait. Offer. Nope. Purchase. Smithing stones 1 and 2. Okay, how many do I hold? I hold 3 and I need 12, right? So here we're going to buy 9. Wait. Okay. And then here I need 12. I have 7 though. So I could buy 5. And then we hope we have enough money. It wasn't cheap, folks. But you know what? That's money. Whoa. He's gone, folks. That's money in the bank, guys. Because the Serpent Hunter, everyone should have like a high-level Serpent Hunter. Don't you agree? You got to do Magma Worm, no. But I should join Twitch stream, I believe. Yeah, I was setting up and updating my laptop. No. Oh, you didn't see Magma Worm? Dude, Magma Worm was freaking sick, bro. Equipment Torio. Let's find that big crazy poker. I'm gonna lay out your arms, buddy.
Oh.
Why am I so hungry? What did I eat?
Don't pay me any mind, it's not important. Just lay out your arms.
Yeah, guys, I haven't eaten. I ate a corn dog. God, it's so crazy. Strength and armament. Okay, here we go. Oh, no. That's a freaking somber weapon, right? That's a somber weapon. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Shall I say change our max level charisma? Yeah, good. So, Mex found us on Twitch. Thank you, Mex. Love you, brother. First time messenger. Okay, sounds good. Yeah. So it's going to be probably a couple of months, hopefully less, because if we get a little more traction, it goes a little faster.
Greetings. I am circumstant. Great chap. Perhaps you might doing so.
And then at some point, we may run over to Twitch and do a few streams over there to have the options, guys. Got to have the options. You know what I'm saying? We got to have options, folks.
You are very warm.
I am very warm. Okay, we got the ball chin blessing.
It is. Come back to me. I will take you in.
Okay. Are we good? Are we good? Corn dogs are definitely masterclass. Manunu, let me tell you something, man. When I woke up, guys, because like I said, I went pretty hard yesterday, and I woke up feeling like almost a little shaky, but I felt okay. I hopped in the car, and I was driving, and I was like, almost felt like a little bit lightheaded. And I'm like, you shouldn't, you know, I was fine. But I'm like, just pull over. Get yourself a freaking, I got a orange, can you see it? You can't see it, folks. I got an orange Gatorade, and I got a corn dog. And I sat at the gas station. I put an entire packet of mustard on every bite of that corn dog. It was so good. And looked at my phone for about 10 minutes, ate the corn dog. And the corn dog was jalapeno cheese corn dog. It wasn't just a regular corn dog. So then I was like, okay, now you feel good. And then I freaking drove home. It was just staying up all night, guys. Guys, I can't do what I used to could do. You know what I'm saying? I can't do what I used to could do, folks. Am I supposed to click on the bald chin blessing, guys, and get rid? Do I just click this to make the thing go away or something? That's a buff. How do I get rid of Fia's buff? I thought I clicked on the bald chin blessing. How do you get rid of Fia's buff? The debuff. That's the little red one that's pointing down, right? How do you? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Okay, and we cannot be fat rolling like this, but we're going to go back to Poopy Face, Audience Pathway. We're going to kill Reichard. We're going to kill Reichard right now, folks. You think we could do it? You think we could do it, folks? I don't have a Mimi. If I had a Mimi, I could. Okay. I'm going to go here. Equipment. Remove that. Oh, wait. Remove this. You know what I forgot, guys? Guys, I have the cheesy freaking golden vow on this sword. Are we still fat rolling? Yeah, we are. Next thing we dump is a shield. Okay. Okay, there we go. Yeah, guys, I had the freaking... Look what I have, guys, and I blew it. Not that. It goes like this. I got the golden vow on this freaking... Where's the sword, man? Okay, you can activate it in your inventory. Okay. Oh, wait. Jellyfish has been good so far, guys. I thought I rolled. That's the one. That's the one I don't know how to dodge. Poison's not fair. Poison him back. Poison him back. I said you can dodge most of those by rolling straight backwards. I staggered him, but he got the poopy on me. He got me? There's no way. I'm in a poopy now. I'm dead. I'm dead from the poison. I got phase 2 and I'm dead from the poison. Jellyfish is still up. This is doable. Corn dogs are the IRL health pot. Yeah, man, they kind of are. Doable, right, guys? I mean, first attempt, not too bad. Okay. I just topped off, folks. Don't hate me for it. I try to time it. Topping off. Probably not the best move. Get out of the freaking poopy. He knows I can't dodge that. He's watching his stream, guys. My stamp blows, guys. Yeah, that's phase 1, guys. How's Jelly doing? Jelly's 30%, guys. This is not bad, guys. This is not bad. P2, folks. Second. First. Hey, Cameron Ayers. What's up, dude? Welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream. Okay. Yep, that was dumb. You can put the poison on him, Jelly, if you want. Oh, now I'm tanking the blasphemous blade, guys. I'm a tanker. I got hit by that. If I get a stagger, that'd be great. Oh, I needed to stagger him out of that, guys, and I didn't get it. Because now I'm dead because of the freaking, the skulls, I think, will kill me. I don't know what to do with the skulls, guys. Come on. I don't know how to do this thing without a freaking memester. Oh, I need to stagger him out of that, guys. I don't even know. That was, yeah. That was rough, man. That was freaking rough, guys. This is getting... It's like, I don't know. I overcame the freaking the Erdtree avatar, and I overcame the Godskin Noble. Should be able to overcome this, guys. Right? Okay. I wouldn't mind going and getting like a freaking a fire talisman or something. We just got one the other day, right? Where did we get it from? I'm trying to remember. I probably should have tried the dogs for fun, but I think they'd be dead by now. I really do. And I have to slow down. What the hell? I'm getting no damn. He's melting the jellyfish. He's just melting the jellyfish. I just let him kill the jellyfish. I woke him up, folks. Dude, I ran away from that. Did you not see me run away? I'm trapped. Yeah, I knew there was a third attack there. I didn't know where it came from or what it was going to do. This is bad. This is bad, guys. I don't know. I don't know, man. I just, yeah. I knew what I was doing there and I didn't even care. New parts and Red Bulls are goat heal pot. Well, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Almost got phase 1 done, but what happened there? I feel like I got lucky and still screwed up. You know what I mean? Buffing sequence getting better, guys. One thing is I gotta run in, guys. You gotta. Jellyfish was holding me back. I always blame the jellyfish, guys. Did we lose our runes from the freaking out of the poopy. Should I top off? Is it going to make a difference? Jellyfish is almost full, guys. Jellyfish is almost full health. Jellyfish is almost full. Oh, I want this to happen, but I gotta stay aggressive because I gotta do work before the freaking skulls come. Skulls screwed me up, man. That last time though, I kind of stayed away for a second. I felt like they were overwhelming me every time I've seen them before. This time it wasn't so bad. And I went way too early. Okay, run away and drink. No! That was a good chance, man, because I had the jellyfish. Just Phase 2 is a little bit trickier for me. Maybe some of the affordable, aforementioned mozzarella. Yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat for dinner, guys. I gotta eat food, right? I don't have bread. Guys, bread is kind of a good thing, right? I'm getting bored with this. I think I'm gonna stop doing this and maybe go kill a fire giant on the other one. Oh, you know what else there is for me too, guys? Check this out. It's very mysterious. Quit game. Yep. It's very mysterious. On my highest level character, which was the Snow Witch that ended up not being a Snow Witch. He's, I think, level, what is he, 445 or something? And on this playthrough, I don't think he's done Haligtree, man. Load game. Because we could do that. We could do that. Because if we do that, then we get to sing, guys. Where is he? Level 450, guys. 450 chess.com rating points. That's pretty good, guys. Right? Pretty good. Trey, did you have anything you needed help with, man? But look, check out my map, guys. Just look at the map. It's weird. It's weird to see. Look at this. Nothing there. Oh. It's because I haven't done Nile yet. Really? Dude, Nile on this build would be fun. NG plus... This is still NG plus 8, I believe. Forge of the Giants is done. So, Fire Giant is done. What we don't have... Oh, no, we do have Commander Nile. Yeah, no. We do. We do. Right? That's Castle SOL Rooftop. So, I guess we have the medallion. Get the band together to warm the angelic pipes. Yeah, so we got that. I'm sure I already looted my... I guess I could check my inventorio for keys. Haligtree. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we've got that, guys. Now... Oh, so we just go to lift of rolled and then hoist. Right? The secret Manunu. Where is it? It's way over here. Where the... Oh, that's a huge lift of Dectus. The grand lift of rolled is over here. Hidden path to the Haligtree. It's right here, guys. I found it. I found it, folks. Charlie came to eat corn dogs and kill god-devouring serpents, and he's all out of mustard! Dude. Is anyone with me on that? With the corn dog and the mustard? A freaking corn dog with like a gross amount of mustard. It's almost like as much mustard. Oh no. Come on. Come on. I screwed up. We're going right back. Yeah, I don't need to see the animation. And I gotta go back. Like this. I like an ungodly amount of mustard on my corn dog, guys. Okay, we'll try. Guys, we'll see if we can do this secret medallion again. You guys want to sing the Haligtree? Guys, we can sing the Haligtree. We got to practice. We got to practice the Haligtree song, guys. All I got to do is get there in order to qualify. Corn dogs without mustard is a mortal sin. Back on the Snow Witch, huh? What? What did it just do? Oh, I think what happened was I don't do anything. I just walk up on it and it'll say, it'll give me the option to make the secret maneuver. Guys, that's the third time, guys. How many times have I been to the freaking Haligtree and I have not, and I can't hoist a freaking secret medallion. Watch. Don't hit E. Hoist medallion. 2. Switch accent. Hoist secret medallion. Jeez Louise. Corn dog and mustard. Is the Manunu? It is, man. It is. I should buy corn dogs. To me, in that scenario, because corn dogs by themselves are awesome. I mean, it just in and of themselves are awesome, right? It's just a vehicle for the mustard, man. It's like, I love mustard, but on a corn dog, I love mustard more. You know what I mean? Yeah, mustards. I feel sorry for people that don't like mustard. Or, like, I feel sorry for people that don't like onions. Like, I know people that don't like onions. What? It is such a beautiful part of so many things. Raw, cooked, fried. I mean, come on, man. Onions? You got a problem with freaking onions? I don't get it. I don't get it, guys. It ain't me. There we go. Okay, now we made it to the secret medallion. Trey, did you say you had something you wanted to do? Did you guys want to come go back to where we just were and kill Rykard? That's a Manunu. Oh, by the way, oh yeah, no, it's old. Okay. Plus onions and onion powder in Franken. Everything, yeah. Dude. Okay, where's the door? Oh my god, I almost didn't make it, guys. That was a panic. And here you collect your 21st Silver Scarab, folks. Gotta be invisible. I don't know why I told you guys. I feel like it kind of cuts over here. That dude just fell off the world. Don't trust any messages. Just line up with the door. Gotta kill the sister. Ooh, Grave Clubwort 9. Might want to hold on to that one. Whoa. Guys, we just invented new parkour here at Elden. Charlie Sardo Gaming, Elden Ring Community After Dark. Okay. That was dumb. She's awake, watching Full House in the other room, says Trey. Wake her up to sing. Oh. Happy birthday, Grandma. Your grandma's there? That's awesome, dude. I don't need the loot in there, do I? I mean, if you don't always go... What is that door? Does it open? It looks like a door to a dungeon. Does that door open for a boss or something? Guys, I had the bald chin blessing. Full House is good stuff. After Darkers Unite! Sanji, what's up, man? Hope. Ooh, Spelldrake. Gotta love it. Just grab the grace. I have 3. I'm like, why do I have so many runes? You know why I have so many runes? Because I'm on a different character. You know what I'm saying? What NG is your grandma on? It's her birthday already in the UK. Nice. There's no grace here, right? Okay. I think I know. I kind of stay to the right a little bit. You kind of go north. Try not to jump off the cliff if you can. Yeah. Could be a Knight's Cavalry here. There's a snail. Yeah. Wait for it. Let's see. It's just... I'm lost. Oh! Oh my god. I thought I was somewhere else. I thought I was somewhere else, guys, until I saw that, we're gonna turn right. Oh my god, blue balls. Freaking blue balls will kill you. I thought I was at the other, man. I thought I was at, like, Consecrated Snowfields or something. I'm so freaking... He has all the talismans. She's starting NG plus 85. Okay. I didn't know where I was. Now I know where I was. Now I know where I am. Not where I was. I just don't know how to get to the Grace, man. It's like... It's pretty much straight north. But... Is the Grace pretty much just straight north? Trey? Here's one. Okay, gotta dance. We got one Grace. So that'll be good. Now, let me see. I just want to head north, but I don't know if I can. Let's just go north and see if we die. Whoa. Okay. Blue balls! They freaking killed me last time, they kill me again! The band is on a mission. Dude, there's no effing way. Oh, wait. I touched the Grace, I didn't rest there, though, right? Why would I not rest here? Okay, it doesn't matter. 300,000 runes on the ground, and we can run to the runes. That was looking pretty good, but the blue balls were there. And we almost died to the fall dam, folks. We almost died to the fall dam. So that time I died to the fall dam. Last time I don't die to the fall dam. Does anyone can explain it? Drew, is there anything you guys want to do? While, you know, maybe getting invaded here and there. Oh. Well, I haven't fallen to my death yet. So that'll be good. The blue balls were over here. Is that where I died? We got a sleeper. I think I gotta go further east. I don't know. Does anyone know if I can drop off here or not? This is feeling better. Hit the G. Ooh, we're getting north, guys. We're getting north. As many times as I've done this, you'd think I would know the path, folks, but I don't. I hate riding blind like this, man. I usually I hug the wall to the right and I go for a long time. And then I kind of turn left. And I avoid a lot of poopy. We're almost to the frozen water. It's gonna be right here. We're there. Good. Upper Halleck Tree. We got about 30 minutes tops. Alright. Well, this character, it's gonna take me a minute to even get to the Halleck Tree. So, because I still gotta do the puzzle. So, I mean, I could knock that out and we could sing, but as far as playing goes, we might not be able to. We're not gonna be able to do much in 30 minutes, right? How about you, Trey? I would say let's just kill my fire giant on Claudia 1850, but it's like the challenge has been so much fun. Where's the Grace? It's over here, huh? I've gotten so close that I really want to go back in there and do that myself, man. The Aztrologer I don't care about. You want to knock out Rykard? You want to do my Rykard on my Aztrologer? Drew, that could be fun. I mean, fun for me. Unless there's one specific thing you want to do that we can help you with. Could do my Castle SOL. Let's do it. Let's do it. There's no Grace over here, right? Kidding myself. Okay, so I'm not gonna do this. Ooh, I kind of want to do the Castle SOL on this guy. So what grace? What grace do we meet? I'm Forbidden Lands if you don't want. Want to get me to Castle SOL, Forbidden Lands. Forbidden Lands. Where the hell's Forbidden Lands? Is it a grace? Is it? I don't remember what that means. Castle SOL, main gate grace. Got you, Drew. All right, guys. We're going to go help Drew. Maybe if we're lucky, we'll get invaded. I think I took off my Taunter's tongue. No, that was on my other character, I think. Okay. I got to put down this one. And you're the one that's going to be busting the Taunter's tongue. Right? It's going to be fun, guys. Spot. Well, I don't think Trey is at SOL. Trooper chair is pumped. Marble Falls Grace for the meetup, folks. Well, if without Trey, we could do Rikard. If you want to wait, and save your SOL for. For this, you want to kill our way in and grab your grace, or you just want to wait? It's entirely up to you. Because Trey said, "Y'all do something without me." Yeah, Trey's gonna take some time. I believe I can help with Rikard, but I'll have to check when I get on. Okay, or I can help you with something, Trey. Dude, I love the buffing up he's doing, man. You did some damn, bro. Do you even know who I am or what level I am, buddy? You're out of here. I keep on targeting him. I just won't kill him. Now I'm out of mana. Sorry about that, Trey. I mean, Drew. Oh my God, I got frostbitten, man. That was just too aggressive. I'm sorry. Sorry, Drew. We'll get this. Happy birthday to Trey's grandmother. Yeah, are you still updating or something? Or you'll be here soon. Okay, let me put the dirty finger down again and be a little bit embarrassed because he's got a half an hour, folks, and I'm over here freaking dying. You know what I mean? Wait. Yeah, I put the right finger down, didn't I? To be honest, hey, those guys I usually just run past, but we're together, so we should be killing stuff pretty easy. Right, guys? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, play chess. We play Elden Ring After Dark, folks. This is my highest level character. Do I have... Yeah. I do have buffs. Hey. Okay, I'll buff up again. Like Oh, those things stay dead. Those things stay dead. I forgot. I forgot they stayed dead. I should have like a Zamor Ice Storm on or something. The bird, guys. The freaking Marty bird. Whoa. Dude, I fell down. I fell down. I'll stab him to death. Just cost me mana pots. He fell off the world. We're gonna have a bird and dogs. Did the bird kill him? Don't let him kill me. I think I got out. Ha ha. Hey, Warren. Hey. Drew. Hey, Warren. Said Cat. Oh, it's Warren. Hey, Rhodes. How you doing, brother? Rhodes, when are you going to get to Texas, man? When are you going to get to Texas? You're heading to somewhere else first, right, Rhodes? Yeah, man. The wolf got you. Yeah, that was rough. You know, when that guy was running away, I should have, like, just started killing the wolves, right? Because they'll attack us, but not him. Yeah. Yeah, I was trying to put I was trying to put the stress on that fool. Keep him rolling, you know what I mean? I guess he did win because he beat you, right? So he probably got his rune arc or whatever. I was being murdered myself.
Hey! Hey!
Okay, I gotta watch for the invader thing. You have been invaded. You have been invaded. Like, and those guys, I gotta be careful about wasting all the mana too, because it's a lot of mana, folks. Okay, it costs a little bit, but not too much. The dogs are gone. Nice. Nice. Is there anything else you wanted to do? You lead the way, brother. You lead the way. Do these things stay dead if you kill them? We got an archer. Let's see him put the hurt on him. His sister's here now. He's on me. That was the move, man. That flank was sick, bro. He got the flank behind the shield. Going to Thailand first, then Texas, then Lakes of the Ozarks. Nice, man. And when you get to Texas, man, you know, you got your schedule. I bet you do. That's quite a trip, dude. You're a beast, Rose. It's weird, there's no game sound. At least when you grab that grace, there wasn't any. when we zone into I guess what I'm trying to ask is, there's poopers. Those things will ruin the whole run. Ah! Jeez Louise. Okay, I got the other pooper. When we zone in, are we gonna get health pots back or no? Probably not, right? But if we have to resummon, we get the easy run back. Because I'm out of mana. So I'm going to Starlight Shard. And then, I'm just not going to have the mana, man. I think I'm going to have to do something like this. Okay. Okay, that's all. I'm out of mana. And then I'm gonna have to. Let's do this. Yeah, that was not smart. I did a little damn. Dude, I jumped. I should die from the panic roll. I put the poopy on him. That was a little early. Starlight Shard. Wow. I'm gonna have to like Warming Stone and just hope. If I have one. Warming Stone, Warming Stone, I don't have Warming Stone. Okay, now I'm gonna I'm gonna have to go to I'm coming with some a little bit of ranged. I should heal up. I think it's gone now. There, well, there goes a warming stone. All right, Drew. It's on you, brother. Take him out, baby. Take him out, Drew. Oh! I don't know if he had heals, guys. We don't know what's going to happen. He'll tell us in chat if he gets it. Charlie, if it's just savage, dude. Caleb says, I know I could make it to that one, even though I don't watch his streams. He's more about the reaction streams as of lately, but tremendous community of savages. Charlie's a savage dude. Excellent news, Caleb. The savage meat. And great is in Missouri. Yeah. Kansas City, 3.5 hour drive. Oh, really, Caleb? That's cool, man. But Lake of the Ozarks is a bit south from there. What happened, Drew? Did he do it, folks? I'm sure he did, but he had to get a couple more hits. Sent you a photo in Messenger. Nice! Guys, we're gonna see right now. Drew sent you a photo. And it's, guys, let's just say it was a good photo. It's a good photo, folks. Great enemy felled! Good job, dude. All right, so we took care of that, man. We got Drew's work done before ooh. Oh, those guys are in my world. Yeah, like I said, my castle SLO is done, and I usually just run. Juno. Did we run over and kill Juno, guys? I don't know, man. That was a good move, though, whipping out that sword, huh, guys? Because I had no mana. It's up there, I guess. Ah, looks like a ramp to me, folks. Drew is a man. I had faith in him. Oh, yeah, Drew was doing fine, man. Drew was doing fine. I actually... Oh, my God. I didn't kill the Tibia Mariner on this build. Deathrite Bird is shooting laser beams at me. If you guys could just stop, that'd be great. Okay. I think I'm like way far away from where I wanted to be. Things are coming out of the ground. Our pets' heads are falling off. If I can just get out of combat, I think I could probably take it. That was... Dude, that guy just freaking almost... What? That snail almost freaking jacked me, bro. Yeah, I knocked it out, man. Nice. Drew's the man. I had faith in him the whole time. First try with no mana. Thanks, bro. Yeah, it was cool, man. It was. I pulled out the Malekith's blade and just started doing some whacking. You know what I mean? And I got the weapon art off on him too a couple of times. It's kind of cool. Did a little bit of damn. I'm trying to remember. The run from here? I don't know, man. Is this like where I just was? I think it's down, but I don't remember. Oh, I think I remember how to get down. Isn't there a spring over here? Boy, it's so far away, but there is, right? And then I think I'll be close to it because I'm going toward it. Yep. I'm going to check out Juno, man. Dude, this guy is so annoying. So annoying. Oh, maybe no spring. Oh, no, it's a frozen lake. Okay, if I get out of combat, that would be really special. Is there a grace right here? How am I in combat? Do I not have this grace? Of course I do. The dude is always providing the I can't even read the comments. It's hilarious. Freaking oh, I can read it over here. The chill that's abiding. So Trey, are you on, or is there something you wanted to knock out, or you were saying? Yeah, this is. I think down here we run all the way. Just run and kill Juno. 12:21, folks. You absolutely love that. The night is roaring by. You know what I kind of want, and I think I have the mats for, guys. I think I have the mats, guys. Is pasta, and I don't have to do a. I don't have to do a freaking you know. Let the sauce simmer for 8 hours or whatever. Yeah, no. What I can do is I could just make some freaking pasta. Make the pasta sauce. I have Italian sausages, guys. I got the sauce. I got the sausage. I got the sausage. Whoa, these things are like that. Now, I tried getting on, but my brother is playing, so it won't let me in. He said he is trying. Getting off in a minute, though. If Drew still has time, y'all could knock something else out. No, I'm cool. I'm cool. Drew's got to run, and that is fine. This dude's going to be a trick equipment. Sorceries. This one. What kind of damage does this Oslo fool do, man? I could probably take Malekith's Black Blade and put it away and just try and... I'm going in on Juno, folks. Yeah, Trey, it's cool, man. I'm chilling, dude. I might hang out the whole time. I might not. I might if I want to bail or something. If I don't want to go all night. Let me drink. Got nailed by 3 in a row. The timing sucked. His timing sucked, bro. Dude, like, I just did that for the chow, bro, because that dude's been a hassle, man. In the past, I mean, that was the easiest Juno I've ever done. Strike and bleed. Did you see how easy that is? He hit me. Usually, yeah. I don't know, man. Oh man, I think they're spawning upstairs. Ooh, wait a minute. That loot was there just a second ago? I didn't see it, folks. Strike and bleed. Okay, so this dude now can go to a little place called Ordina Liturgical Town. Now, for rune farming, you know, these, like the rune farm that you have right here, for instance, where the one where you drop off and swing. I'm not even going to show it. I've shown it so many times. Everyone already knows it anyway. But the point is, they say chicken farm is just faster. Not the chicken farm, but the Palace Approach Ledge, you know, Albionics, right? With the sacred relic sword. Okay. That's just, it's definitely faster. But it takes more work. You know what I'm saying? It takes more paying attention. In other words, if I run from that grace up here, jump off, and just start swinging my weapon, you know, I got to string it for 30 or 40 seconds or whatever, 50 seconds till I get my runes. Pour it back to the grace. Well, while I'm doing that, I could be watching a YouTube video. I can watch YouTube videos while I farm runes, but it's like this. My neck starts hurting. Or I can put the YouTube video smaller on the chat thing, and I can just do it with my eyes. But it's still a lot of work because you don't have a lot of time. You don't have 30 or 40 seconds. You have 2 seconds. Summon the power of pasta. Strike and bleed. On the seared chicken breast with minced garlic and Cajun. Wait. Oh, the seared chicken breast with minced garlic and Cajun with shredded Parmesan cheese for dinner was so delish. Yeah, that sounds pretty freaking delish to me, man. Did I go in? Am I in? I think I'm in. Well, if we light a freaking tower, we're probably in, right? Gotta dance. Gotta climb, folks. Goal here: don't get eaten by the invisible assassin. If we can, I think we'll be all right. Broccoli and brown rice. Oh man. Yeah, that sounds good, dude. Guys, everything sounds good because I'm freaking starved. Oh no, I did eat, guys. I ate more than a corn dog. I went to dinner with my kids. I ate, guys. I had the tacos grande. I'm sitting here so hungry, and I'm like, I can't remember what I ate. I did eat dinner. Duh. Guys, I'm a gelhead. I told you, I had a long night last night. And so, I can't remember. But I'm still starving. And hopefully Courtney will be hungry later when I see her. If I make the pasta, I'm not taking out loot. You know why? I think there's an invisible assassin over there, guys. I don't need his action. This is going to be rough, guys. We're going to have to... No! Who saw me and why? There's no way! I didn't do anything! That's my route, guys. I'm not saying I've never been hit by an arrow there. I'm saying usually I don't. Usually I don't get hit right there. That's okay. There's no room. Yeah, no. We're not playing. We're not holding on to rooms right now. Hello, Charlie cracks me up and Trey trying to sing this song early. Tacos Grande. Yeah, they were good. We're gonna kill the Halleck tree. Well, the freaking archers are gonna kill me. Is a little bit more like it. Okay. Now, the bum rush here, guys, is not easy. Okay? It's not for kids. Don't try this at home. I wish I had a bubble on right now. But it would only save me from one arrow. Oh my god, I just picked up 26,562 runes. Yeah, which means absolutely nothing to me. I don't have anything that can freaking jack that dude up. So we're just going to have to... Don't move around too much. You might see you. We're just going to have to... We're going to go for it, guys. We're going to go for it. We're going to go for it. Light the amigos fire. You know that it would be untrue. Right? Guys, there's no time to wallow in the mire. Please. Please, guys. Okay, give me this. Don't even know what it does. Going in. God, man. That was freaking not too bad, huh, guys? I think I dodged them all. Hey, I am Gently. Hey, what's up? How you doing? I am Gently. How are you doing today? I'm doing wonderful. How are you doing? What are you up to? What are you up to, man? My name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. I am Gently is on Twitch, guys. I'm multi-streaming to Twitch and YouTube. And there's a little bit more of a bigger crowd over on the YouTube, but you are welcome to watch on Twitch. That's why I'm streaming there. But I'm just sorry there's not a whole bunch of people in the room to chat with. What's going on, Gently? How you doing? What's your day like? How was your Valentine's Day? I'll relay it to the YouTube. Oh, what the that dude did you see what that guy did to me? He freaking grabbed me, bro. Guys, we're gonna sing a song. Gently, you came in at a very interesting time because we're gonna sing the Haligtree song. Every time we get to the Haligtree, we sing the Haligtree song. For those of you who don't know, I'll tell you the story right now about the Haligtree song. On my first playthrough, we did something. We're finishing the stream, and I had to go to work, host an open mic. So I said, chat's like, I said, what do we do when I get back from work? We'll go live again. We're going to play. What do we do? Chat says, have you done the Haligtree yet? I said, no. They said, okay, we'll do that. I said, cool. So I thought Haligtree was a boss. So I wrote a song on the way to work called We're Going to Kill the Haligtree. And now every time we get right here on any playthrough, this guy right here was my 20th. Elden beats and Radagon are dead. I did a no summons playthrough on this character, which is only my second no summons playthrough. I usually summon stuff. Summon friends, summon dung eaters. I don't care. So once we get to here, we sing the Haligtree song. I'm going to grab this Grace right quick. And then we're going to sing the Haligtree song. And I'm going to post the words for you guys. Okay? I'm going to post them in chat. Then you can sing along. I will do one dry run, guys, so you can hear it. Okay? I expect you to sing along at home. You got to sing along at home. I'm going to do one dry run. Let me see. It's in this one, I think. I think it's in hashtags. I've got a little looking. It's going to be down here. Oh, here it is, guys. Yep. Okay, I'm fixing to post it, and I'm going to post it to Twitch too. Copy. So everybody gets to be part of the action, guys. One thing about us, we're all inclusive here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. 1 second. Bringing that other chat back up. It was this one. Yeah, that's my Twitch chat. Cool. I am generally says, all right. Okay, cool. Here is, I'm sending it to Twitch first because I am generally is new, guys. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and pin that there. Oh! Did that go to... I don't think that went to YouTube, did it? And here is for the YouTubers, folks. Oh my God, it won't let me, it won't. Okay. I think it might not let me post the whole thing because it's too long. So, chat will get me there. That should be it, guys. I think everyone got the words. Twitch let me put the whole freaking thing. Why did they do that? The freaking YouTube wouldn't let me post a long message, guys. Okay, I'm gonna grab the guitar. And there's been times when I let chat pick the guitar, but we're not. Chat ain't picking my freaking guitar tonight, guys. All right, I'm sorry, chat. Damn sure. Well, damn sure. Chat will definitely get me to the Haligtree though, and they did. They did. Okay, let's go to a little thing called right about here. Go. Breaking news, folks. Now I have to fix the mic, guys. There's a problem with the mic. The mic needs a filter muted. Noise suppression is off. You can probably hear my computer fan now, maybe my refrigerator. It's a pretty good mic, folks. Okay, I'm grabbing the guitar. You've had a chance to go over the words. I'm going to sing it one time for you. You can kind of mumble along with me, you know, like it's your first time singing a song in kindergarten or something, or maybe when you went to church or something, you know. You don't really know the song, but you stand there and you kind of sing along anyway. Yeah, that's what you have to do, okay? You have the words, no excuse. Trooper chair kept you guys company. I know that. I'm sure it's nice. All right. Yeah, and we're gonna put the reverb on to make it sound like it's important. Okay. Where'd I put the pick? Okay. Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? If you're ready. What? Drew says clears 2. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Stream music is on. Thank you, Joe. That's one. See, and because I don't have my headphones on. So that right there was huge. No stream music, right? All right, goes like this. Okay, this is the practice run. This isn't the real run. You could sing along if you want to. It goes... We're gonna kill the halleck tree. We're gonna kill the halleck tree. We're gonna kill the halleck tree tonight. Must admit I don't know where, but damn sure chat will get me there. We're gonna kill the halleck tree tonight. Okay, now that's it. It's very simple. That's a nice little ditty. If there's any words, if you've already memorized them, you know, and you just want to. You don't even need to look. You know what I'm saying? So this is the real one. Drew actually recorded it and posted it in the exclusive Chillers subscribers only group on Facebook, and that was really cool. Okay, guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna kill the halleck tree. We're gonna kill the halleck tree. We're gonna kill the halleck tree tonight. Must admit I don't know where. Damn sure chat will get me there. We're gonna kill the halleck tree tonight. There we go, guys. That's like got to be the 21st. No, 20th probably. That's probably the 20th halleck tree song we sing together, guys. And Joe H gets honorable mention for reminding me that the music was on, because it sucks when the music's on. The background music. Okay, my noise suppression is back on, folks. The stream is taking form. You absolutely love to see it. Let us get back to the game, and we're gonna run down the branches, guys. It's the branches run, guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. So, I am gently. Do you play Elden Ring? I'm guessing, right? We got Truth's messages are retracted by himself or others. I always wonder. I wonder if we could do mod deathmatch here. Remember how we couldn't do mod deathmatch on Facebook? No! Branch! Maybe we'll try that one time. We should try it on all platforms. I think it'd be awesome. I think it'd be awesome if we could do it like the mod deathmatch. You know what I mean? Did I have... Let me see. One thing I was going to do earlier, and we're probably going to chill and do this. System. I'm going to go ahead and put the stream music on now, because I actually meant to do that. Where? Right here. Music. Elden Ring music. Be gone before someone drops a house on you. Charlie Sardo gaming music. String rock, no less. Okay, wait for it. I'm just gonna lay it down here. I cranked that up because for the intro screen, right? Wait. Is this it? Do I know where I am? Yeah. Okay, we got the loot, so we won't get the bad start. I don't usually die so fast right there, guys. It's because I drink. I have a ton of stamina on this character. I have a ton of everything on this character. I still think streamer. This is Chiller's Blues. Music's probably a little bit hot, right, guys? I mean, I can like talk a little closer to the mic to make it better until I change it. Come on! We're gonna get owned. Hey, I just got my Wormwing Stone back, Drew, that I spent on your Commander Niall. Dude, I try to dodge, bro. I try to dodge again! There's no way. Get the poopy on me now, guys. I got the poo on me like Joe Dirt, guys. I got the poo on me like Joe Dirt. Slide down, man. Here we go. Caleb Boy says, yes, it is straight. I'm not musically inclined, but to me, Charlie always sounds good when jamming. Oh, thank you, man. Turn sound effect off. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Rhodes. Yeah, man. Cat says, no! I'm going to send this when I fell. Yeah, Charlie, you are the man. No, wait, man. If you sing along, you're the man. I don't know why it's important for you guys to sing along, but it is. This guy's mad at me for something. It's like, dude, what did I do to you, bro? Like, do I know your sister or something? Why are you mad at me? You know what I mean? I guess I should drink, right? Somber? These guys are annoying, guys. Did I make it? I didn't make it. Oh, God. I'm dead. Oh, I didn't rest at the Grace. I was supposed to rest at the Grace, guys. I still got the poo on me. He's mad for sure. They're both mad now, but if I can just touch the Grace, I don't even care what happens. I mean, I don't want to die. I got baited over here the other day, and it kind of sucked. The guy had like a waterfowl. He had like this waterfowl. Drew's going. Drew says, awesome guys. We'll see you later. Glad we got to knock out cast out so well. Maybe my night. Dude, that was fun. It was quick and easy. Sorry for the death, man. Sorry for the death. And sorry I didn't help you on that invasion, man. I was a little slow on the invasion help. Probably should have jumped. Whoa! We made it, guys. Do you think Loretta's going to get back, guys, to where she once belonged, or no? That's my question. I think I'm going to kill these guys because I think I'm going to have enough pots. And I don't want to be rushed. Dude! Okay. That worked. Okay, what summons are we going to use for Loretta? I'm not even soloing it. What do we got up, folks? I don't have any summons up. Oh, because I just finished a no summons run. We don't need the bauble swords anymore. Let us go to Switch. We just completed a no summons run, guys. And that's why there's no summons. Oh, do we have a dung eater on this? I'm your puppet. We get the dung, folks. We'll dung eater, guys. What do you guys think about that? Oh man, kept dying here. On. Whoa. Okay, I guess it's time to go because he's chasing me. Oh my God! Stop it! Now I want to get the loot because I hate you. Two. Oh, come on. Guys, we got the dung up. Calm down, Loretta. Okay, I guess. Wow, the damn guys. And I'll tell you something, this is not. Oh my god. The Dung's got the debuff, does it help? I got hit by everything she's thrown at me so far, guys. Every single thing. That all the more. No! I didn't realize. Oh my god, I'm so horrible. All I had to do was dodge. I'm like, I'm just gonna go ahead and top off then because we got this. Dung Eater rocks like the stream jams. Yeah, man. Okay, one thing I never do is get the shortcut. Because I never kill those mobs. I never loot that loot either. You know why? Too far. Okay, we're down a pot. Can I even make it up this without getting sniped? It's like climbing on a roof in Warzone. It's like, good luck. Camper boy's gonna be waiting for you. Oh my god. I'm like, should I save my health pot? How is it freaking... How does that guy just kill me? Don't I always just run past this? What is the freaking deal here, guys? Okay. Oh, well, never forget, guys. It's NG plus... No, wait, what is this? Yeah, this is NG plus 8. It's NG plus 8, and so maybe that's why I'm like not 100%. Oh my god, are you serious? I'm gonna have mana. Hey sister. Why won't the guy be targetable? Okay. Like, this dude's on me already. These guys don't die that easy, right? Oh, so now he doesn't do the big bubble thing. Dude, what was that, bro? Is he coming? He doesn't just melt, guys. There's no way! I LOS and his freaking buddy. What? Hate those guys. That's why. Hate those guys. Enter. No sticker here. I should have just gone in, guys. I should have just gone in, reset. Okay. Those things, they do damn, bro. I'm all trying to get on my horse and stuff. I'm telling you, she spawns faster than normal. I jumped early too, but I still made it. Okay, we're just going, guys. We're just going. This guy just jumped off, bro. I'm gonna take fall damn. That guy's gonna hit me now. That was a little bit better. Okay. Ding dong. Hey, I dodged one attack from her. She's putting a poop on the dung, guys. I just drank a health pot. I just drank a health pot, guys. I needed mana. Okay. I don't like the dung is 50% and Loretta is not. Dude, I don't want to have to deal with this freaking fool by myself. Leave the dung alone! Dude, she got the dung dong, man. She got the dung dong right when... Whoa! There's no way! This guy was at the door, bro. This guy was at the door waiting for me. Has anyone ever had that happen before? The minute the fog wall freaking opens, that thing starts freaking popping off on you, bro. That was freaking crazy, man. Loretta fell. Dung can handle some poopies. Yeah, Dung did a good job, man. He did a good job. I'm very proud of him. We have 510. No. Yeah, 510,000 moves. It's nowhere near a level, folks. It's about a fifth. So we're not going to, you know, we'll start getting up around 1.2, 1.3. I'll be like, okay. It's about, we're about 20 swipes. 20 Albionic swipes away from a freaking level. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Okay, there's loot up here, but I don't know what it's for. You know, it's butterflies, right? I like to pick the pretty. I mean, if anything, just get it to sell it, right? Ancient Dragon Smithing Stone. Might want to hold on to that one. Okay. Running. I just want to get to Melinda, so those guys can help me. Trey and Drew can help me with the Melinda. You know what I'm saying? I think that'd be cool. I mean, it's not going to happen tonight. But if anytime one of us has a Millennia set up, it's a good day. Okay. I'm going to put this on too. Just because I don't even... I doubt this guy does holy damage, but it's very... See, that might be holy damage. Oh no, it's he put the rod on me, guys. He put the full rod on me. That guy is so dangerous. He almost killed me, guys. He almost killed me. I got the poopy on me. Oh, speaking of Millennia, cat heal, knock. Oh, cat helped me knock her out. Oh, nice, nice. I'll tell you, man, when we got 3 people in that freaking Millennia, man, and we got her surrounded, and every time she looks at one person, 2 other guys go in and hit her. She keeps turning around. It neuters her, man. She spends so much of her time doing nothing, not attacking. She keeps turning around, changing target. Yeah, buddy, if you want to kill me next time, you might not want to take time to buff. Okay? See the buff there, guys? Whoa. Ah! Wow! I jumped blind, guys, but I thought it was going to be okay. And, I mean, technically it was. But that was not okay. Pretty far from okay. Right? Their magic is holy damage. That's what I thought, Trey. That's what I thought. I just didn't know he was going to put the poopy on me, too. That was freaking nasty. Should have never have allowed it. Okay, this is my drop, right? Oh, no, drop here first. This is always a scary run because you've come so far. Oh, they're shooting me already? What is this, NG plus 8? Or so? Oh my god, they're putting a rod on me and stuff? I just held it for a little bit of stam. No. Good. No. Oh my god, the poopies are real. Got it. Come on. They didn't come in. Resting was good. Resting was good. Alright. Hardcore Porcar here. Charlie Sardo Gaming! Yeah, it was fun. Funny part is the dark globe knocking her out of the waterfowl. Oh, yeah. Can't manage to do it a few times. That's nice. But, I mean, that thing is so slow. You can't cast it when she casts waterfowl, right? Obviously. So there's a little bit of RNG involved there, right? I don't... That globe is the big moon thing. The one that goes real slow, right? Okay, we're just gonna run, guys. That would be hilarious, though, to see Millennia jumping up to do a waterfowl and then just getting stunned out of the freaking... Oh my god. I almost fell right there, guys. It's no big deal, but I would have had to run back. That would have sucked. Give me the loot skis. Drop down. Don't need to use a ladder. Good. Grab this Grace. Feeling good about it. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm definitely making pasta, man. I'm freaking hungry, bro. Wait, did I rest? Or did I just touch? Did I rest or did I touch? I never saw it before. We did it. Nice, man. Nice. Okay. I don't need to get, like, the Great Shield Talisman sword. Or Great Shield Talisman thing. I don't need it, guys. Oh, no! I almost screwed up. I don't drop down here, guys. Oh my god. I almost screwed up the actual parkour scenario. This is just the way I go. I don't, to be honest with you, I don't know a better way to get to Millennia. Is there a better way? This doesn't seem too bad to me. Run! This thing goes down pretty quick. It's a very forgiving elevator, you know what I mean? You get on the button, woo! Get on that happy button, man. And you're riding to Happy Town, folks. Okay, there we go. Got the Grace of Millennia. That was good. My main on Xbox is a Frost Mage. I mean, but Trey, like, how do you plan it other than maybe like just keeping one in the room, keeping one up a lot, right? If you just keep it casting, and then every time she goes to waterfowl, she's got probably a pretty good chance to hit it because she covers a lot of ground, right? When she does a waterfowl, right? That's what I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm just like, how would you do that? I'm gonna save this one for helpers. Guys, I want to thank you for being here. We just knocked out a nice little After Dark. We got some good stuff done. If you guys like what you see on YouTube, please throw me a sub. Throw me a sub. Subscribe. It's free. You know that. That's why you're already on YouTube. Throw me a follow over there on Twitch, if you will. Thanks to all the support, all the moderators. Good time tonight, man. I did a couple of hard things this morning. That's it, not this morning. Early in the stream, and we overcame, and we killed some things that were kind of tough. So that was cool. There was something that came out of this. Yeah. So guys, I freaking love you guys, man. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys. We're streaming tomorrow for sure, so I'll catch you